It's time for you to kick the Chat GPT habit. Chat GPT was the first mainstream artificial intelligence brand, and it was the fastest growing tech product ever. On Google News search, the brand returns over 3 million results. Late-night TV talk show hosts specifically mention Chat GPT, and their listeners know what they're talking about. Chat GPT is synonymous with large language model-based chatbots in business and technology circles, as well as among the general public. But it's time to move on from Chat GPT and explore the universe of great alternatives in this new environment. First, let's be clear about what we're discussing: LLMs and the tools that are built on top of them. An LLM is a type of artificial intelligence system that is generally trained on petabytes of text data. When queried, it looks for patterns in all of this data to predict the next word or sentence, resulting in human-like interaction. A chatbot is a tool that allows you to access an LLM. Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot. The free version has access to an LLM called GPT 3.5, whereas the paid version has access to GPT 4.0. Those are simply two LLMs, are different variants of the same LLM. However, there are other equivalent models available. In fact, the figure is astoundingly high. Stanford researchers recently released their work on LLM taxonomy. They discovered a total of 15,821 currently available LLMs. And, to help us comprehend and contextualize them, the researchers created Constellation, which they describe as an atlas of LLMs for viewing them. Moving on from Chat GPT, LLM chatbots are basically versatile, but that doesn't mean you should rely on a single tool like Chat GPT for everything. Furthermore, a controversial new report from Stanford and UC Berkeley suggests that for some uses, Chat GPT is actually becoming dumber. Microsoft and Meta's Llama 2 is one of the most recent LLM offerings. The firms claim Llama 2 is open source, but critics say it's not. Still, it's significantly more open than LLMs from Google or OpenAI. There are various methods to try Llama 2. Llama 2 is available for testing via a demo sponsored by the venture firm Andreessen Horowitz. You may get the code from Meta or the AI sharing platform Hugging Face, or you can try it out on Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart. Alternatively, you can use a one-of-a-kind resource that combines Llama 2 and Perplexity.ai to provide answers to queries. Aside from that, there will be many more LLMs available in the near future. Apple is also said to have constructed one on top of Google's machine learning framework JAX, which runs on Google Cloud. It's dubbed Ajax, and some internal engineers refer to it as Apple GPT. Employees utilize it for product prototyping and other tasks. Like smartphones, it's apps that will change the world. Sites, apps, browser extensions, and services that access LLMs are one of the greatest methods for non-developers to use them. With new tools being released on a daily basis and existing tools receiving significant improvements, it's a good idea to keep an eye out for new products using curated search tools like, for example, I propose Find for search engine replacement work. It's an LLM-based search engine that gives you both the LLM-derived result and the search engine links it utilized for the data. It's one of many that outperforms Chat GPT in terms of current knowledge. In general, LLM-based chatbots do far worse than search engines, so it's ideal to mix search and AI. Anthropic's Claude writes better prose and can assist you write emails or birthday cards. However, take it from a professional writer, no LLM-based chatbot is particularly effective at writing. Given how quickly these tools grow, it's crucial to remember that the greatest chatbots, browser plugins, websites, and apps for specific individual objectives today may be quite different next month, or even next week. How to handle mistakes and hallucinations? You can't rely on LLM-based chatbots to provide reliable information, and you have no way of knowing whether the outcome will be incomplete, misdirected, completely incorrect, or flawless. One piece of advice for avoiding the hazards of errors and hallucinations is to seek a second, third, and fourth opinion. It's simple to compare chatbots that employ different LLMs simply loading a bookmarks folder on your browser. For example, you can use Find, Chat GPT, Bard, and Claude to load a folder. Enter a prompt, copy and paste it into each chatbot, and then compare the results. This is a quick technique to ensure you have accurate information while also allowing you to compare prices. Another option is AI Playground, which allows you to compare multiple models side by side. If we simply enter instructions and then copy and paste the result for use as our own communication, AI can destroy our capacity to write. Alternatively, we can use AI as a writing companion to help us develop our writing and thinking skills. Right now, the AI field is so diverse and complex that the best advice I can provide is to experiment like a mad scientist. Try as many new tools as possible. Experiment with incorporating artificial intelligence into your work. Execute inventive queries. Additionally, employ AI as a brainstorming buddy and sounding board. The realm of artificial intelligence is changing at a breakneck pace, quicker than any other area of technology in our lives. And the technology's promise and threat are both tremendous. Everyone in the technology and business realms must approach it with a sense of adventure, learning, and experimenting. Also, don't just use Chat GPT out of habit. So, there you have it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.